What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. We are out here at the Link Up. Is that what this is called?
Link Up event. The
Link Up event. We are out here in Manteca right now. Let's take a look at the table real quick. But before we do that, can I?
Hey guys, David. All right, stop this. So people are looking at stop.
Okay. So I was looking at my old videos and I was like, bro, I used to vlog in public super easy. And then I'm gonna be honest, I kind of got a little, it's a little bit harder for me to do it, but now we're doing it. We got people at the table. We got David, got cakes. We got his Croc Charms. This video is sponsored by hypebeastrus.com. The link will be down below in the description. Shopsotopia.com. All right, I'm gonna help these people out real quick. Okay, so I'm selling some custom goods today. I also have some sneakers for sale. Look at those laces. They're busting right now. Oh my goodness. Look at that, look at that. If you guys are watching this video and you're not at this event right now, you can purchase these on my website at shopsotopia.com
or .org. Are you an organization? Or .ticktail?
So David's girlfriend is selling her ube banana bread. Ube banana bread out here. Follow me this way. So she also has cookies, and this is the banana bread down here. And we're trying to do everything, you know? I'm just trying to be her salesman right now. She left because she thought it was kind of embarrassing and cringe. But the boy has to put in work, you know? We have to get some sales. Oh my God. You made this? This is so good. No. No. Yo. $13 for this? This came from the heavens.
Yeah.
You guys did great. Can I buy more? The peanuts and the banana bread?
Aren't you allergic?
What the hell is that? Okay.
How far do you think I can like make it?
All the way.
I'll start with the box.
Okay, so I don't know if I did a good job at explaining what this event is. So it's primarily like vintage clothing and sneakers, and there's a bunch of vendors like everywhere. So I might walk around a little bit. We're manning the booth right now, but I might sneak away and show you guys what's up over here at this event. Might buy something, I don't know, we'll see. I need a pair of these, size 10, fire.
Craving something kind of sweet. Like, craving some cookies.
We have cookies for sale right now. You see those three?
Yeah.
Those are our best sellers.
Wow, I'm gonna order some. Okay, that's...
I'm kind of in the market right now for some Carmine 6s. I want a used pair because the prices aren't too crazy, but I see a pair over there. They look like they're brand new, but I'm gonna go ahead and check the price real quick. Okay, I found some Carmines. What size are the Carmines? 9.5. 9.5?
Why you better stop?
Are you negotiable on these? You do 180? Can I see the other shoe? Yeah, I'll do 190. Yep, cool with that. All right, guys, we just got the Carmines. Spotted Jason.
Yeah.
Shout out to Jason for selling me these. What's your business Instagram and all that?
On the card, the real J.Souls.
The real J.Souls. All right, guys, make sure to check them out. Shout out to Jason for these. I think originally he wanted 220, and I got these for 190 bucks, so not bad at all. Worn a few times. Bottoms are still icy, not super yellow or anything, so I'm glad to add these back into the collection. I had them for a little bit, moved them, but then yeah, they're back now, so hopefully I wear it this time with the Nike Air. Oh my God. Okay, so we've been cooling here at the booth, and I had the homie Marvin Blends right here. He blessed me with a free hat, so if you guys want to check him out, here's all his info. Thank you for the free hat, bro. I appreciate it. All profits.
I think he's related to Vic Blends.
Pretty dope hat.
You look like you drive trucks and date your own.
Yo, what? Your boy just caught a huge L right now. So it's so hot today that some of the shoes, they're starting to separate. These Concords right here, the 2011s, starting to separate. I had one guy that wanted to buy these. He tried them on, and then right when he pulled his foot out, I saw this upper just kind of lift up a little bit, and I was like, yeah, I can't sell it to you like this, bro. So these are off the table now. Kind of sad, man, kind of sad. So I gotta fix these, but I think now I could finally walk around, check some tables out. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Hey, hey, hey.
How much would you sell me those for?
You really want them?
Maybe.
100.
But I see that they're kind of separating. How much?
100.
Like 10?
Alright guys, the event is all done. I don't know if I got enough footage, but I want to say huge thank you to everybody that bought something today, and a huge shout out to everybody that's watching this video right now. So right now, we're gonna be taking all these goods off. We're gonna be packing up. It's hot. I am tired. I am exhausted right now. I just need to lay down, get some fresh water, spritz my face, feel a little bit more clean, and I'll be happy. But we're gonna get this packed up real quick, and then I'll tap in with you guys in a little bit. Oh my goodness, we are finally home now. This is a couple days after that event that I filmed, so I just wanted to end this video off by just giving you a little bit of updates. So I don't think you guys have seen my sneaker collection in a while, just because I haven't really done one. You guys probably know that I downsized a lot, but this is what I have left. A lot of these shoes are shoes that I'm actually still selling. So like Baby Bears, Vanilla Ices. I do have a pair of 1985 Royal Ones. They're just sole swapped. So if you guys are interested in those, they're gonna be like size 10 or 10 and a half. So these are on my website, Baby Bears, Vanilla Ices. I might sell those infrared 6s. And yeah, all this other stuff is just stuff that I wear, but it's nothing too crazy. Like, I've changed the way that I dress. I don't really wear too expensive stuff. I just wear what I like these, bro. These are amazing. This is such a slept on pair, and I'm glad that they don't go for much, but I love this shoe right here. It's just easy to wear. You can match it with anything. It's just one of those neutral ones, man. This is probably the most I've spent on a shoe in a while. These right here, I think I got these for maybe like $280, less than $300 for sure. And the Prestos, my first pair of Prestos, I got these for like 50% off, guys. 50% off. Employee discount, that's crazy. And this one right here is my new favorite model, the 2002 Rs. This is my first time having a New Balance that I actually purchased, because they used to send me stuff every now and then. But yeah, man, something about this shoe right here, it's super comfortable. And if you're wondering why it looks like all battered up and stuff, it came like that. It came with a scuff on the back. I didn't even know that. From the pictures, it looked like a normal gray New Balance, but it comes distressed. If you guys would like to see a review on these, I'm definitely down, because I know a lot of people are getting into New Balances. If you guys want more info on it, or just want to know, you know, how the sizing is, how the quality is. Look at that suede liner. Like, bro, New Balance, absolutely killing it. I never thought that I'd be saying this, or I could never picture me wearing New Balance, but bro, these things are actually fire. I still can't believe that the Concord 11s separated at the event. I might do a restoration video, just a quick reglue on that pair if you guys would like to see it. Drop a comment down below. This is an extremely rare Cortez, and as you guys can see, it's fully falling apart. Just like that. So this is the midsole, and then this is the outsole right here. So I'll be doing a video on that once I'm back. Anyways, that's about it. If you guys would like to support the channel any further, you could go ahead and check out my website. I just added these card holders, which have been selling like crazy. I've been getting a lot of people saying that they love the quality, and a lot of you guys have been telling me how much you love the product, which means a lot to me. So if you guys would like to shop any of my custom goods, that's watch bands, phone cases, keychains, all that good stuff, the link will be down below, and I'm running a 20% off everything on the custom goods right now. No discount code needed. All you gotta do is add it to cart. That's about it, guys. I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace. Shoo.